In this video I will teach you how to make your own vegan yogurt. In a blender, mix soy milk, tofu and not the chilies, they're for later. Place the chilies on top of the mixture you made. And then just leave it for 24 hours in a warm room. Next day, your yogurt is ready. The chilies are to ferment the yogurt, and you'll be surprised how creamy this whole thing's turning out. This is like pure soy. I really like the taste, but you can sweeten it however you like. So we put some lemon inside, some sweetener, just to make it a little bit more yogurty and sour, which was super nice. Top up with some toppings, and that's it. I hope you can enjoy your vegan yogurt, and you're gonna go make some soon.